Hello friends, welcome to Easy Web Pro. So in this video, we see the new application which is Share Notes. So this is our PHP based web application for sharing notes and study material which with our students, friends. So basically, for sharing notes or study material, we use WhatsApp, Google Drive, Gmail, or other social media or social platforms. So this is not the ideal way for sharing notes, and we have to reduce the interaction between social media and study. That's why we create this application. So this is homepage of our application. This whole system managed by admin. So when student upload any notes, after the upload note, that notes or document verified by admin or teacher. When teacher or admin verify it, then all the student can visible that note. So first we check our username and password. So I think maybe admin. Okay, so this is our admin homepage. So here we can see recently uploaded notes. So on the homepage we can see how many students recently share note. We can view here the user, then we can see here document. So in this application we use Google View. That's why we, if we want to view documents such as docs file, PPT or zip file, we have to host the application, but we can view the PDF file without any hosting. So we see in next part further, then we can approve it. So if you want, if user check, admin or teacher check this document, if no any issue found, then they approve it. After approve it, this document can visible by other users. Okay, so manage users. So using this section we can manage users. So we can remove user, or we can change the role of user. So admin and teacher both are upload verified notes, but only admin can make new admin and delete the admins. Okay, my notes. So these are notes. So we can say a PDF. Okay, we can say we can easily view PDF without any issue, but when we use view other document rather than PDF, so it show blank. And we can download this notes just simply below the download button here. So this is PPT. Okay, so I want to PDF. Okay, you can see we can simply download this application. Okay, now we go to the user. So let's check how many users. Okay, simply log out here. So this is, I think we check it, this role. Okay, this data is okay. We check the database. Okay, so student, we just log in with Naresh1. Okay, Naresh1, which is, yeah, students. So recently we just log in with students. So in this student profile we can see who, these are the all notes who upload it. Then we can view that document. Simply we click on PDF. Now here we can update a profile. Both user, teacher and admin can change their profile. We just simply choose photo, upload it, our details, and also change the password. We can separately do that thing. So if you want to change only profile picture, so we can update profile picture. If you want to use personal details or only password, so we can just only password only. Okay, just name upload. Okay, so just I so test. a file for upload. So I choose a PHP file. Okay, just I go to the PDF. So I choose 12 com PDF. I just upload it. So new node has been uploaded. Please wait until admin approves it. Okay, we can check later. Then my notes. So here we can see our uploaded notes. So we can see here approve or not approve it. When the admin or teacher approves the node, then it is status has been changed to not approved to approved. All the user can see it. This node are unable to view by user because it is not approved. When the admin approves it, after the approval, all the users can view that notes. Okay, and we can manage here our own notes. So delete it. Simply we have deleted. Both the teacher and the student upload the notes, and the admin and the teacher verify it, but only admin create new admins or delete users, and teachers and the student both are upload the notes. Teachers cannot make new admins or delete users. So this is simple, our simple application. So I'll just check. Okay, when if user forgets username or password, we can simply just type our email and click on recover. I already signed in here. This system reset the password and send new password to the registered email ID. We just wait here. Okay, new password has been sent to registered email ID. To check your inbox, just I come here. Okay, we can say take username, the my password changes. I just simply copy the password and cross check it. So this is my password. This is 5128512826. Okay, the password has been successfully changed. So also we can just approve a note. So just recently approved password. We so this is testing. Yeah, just approve it. I go to the student profile. We just recently changed the password. Okay, so yeah. You can see here note has been approved. Okay, this is so we just uploaded YouTube test and this status has been approved. So this is a simple application. So if you want any question regarding the application or source code, just contact me on my email, which is in description box. So I hope you like this video, and it's a simple project. So thanks for watching this project.